I know it's been a while, been super busy, but I wanted to go ahead and add a new tutorial to the YouTube channel today. So we're going to make a very simple satin ribbon flower. And with this one, I actually used 1.5 inch ribbon. This one is satin, but today we're going to go ahead and use a grosgrain ribbon. So I am using 1.5 inch ribbon. You can use 7/8 ribbon as well, or even a 3 inch if you wanted to make it larger. For the 1.5 inch ribbon, I am using 4-inch piece of ribbon. And with all your ribbons, you want to make sure that you heat seal your ends so there is no fraying. Even though these are going to be tucked in the center, you want to give it a nice barrier so that the ribbons do not, or the thread doesn't cut through if for some reason it was to get pulled on. So you want to go ahead and just heat seal those ends. Now, if you're using a 7/8 ribbon, you're gonna want to use, I would guess, probably a 3-inch ribbon. So let's see here, almost done. Okay, so for this design, you're gonna hold, because this is a single-faced ribbon print, you want to hold your top ribbon up, or the white facing, and then the design is going to be at your palm. So you're going to go ahead and just get it, and then you're going to swing it over, and it's going to look just like that. And you're going to go ahead and turn it over, and you're going to take your needle and thread, and you're going to go in, out, in, out, oh, in, out. Okay, and you're going to do that with all of them. So just swing it over.
What's the?
Okay, we're on our last two, and it's going to just be in, out, in, out, in, out. Okay, last one.
Okay.
Okay, so now you're going to just take your needle and you're going to go ahead and insert it to the starting point of your first petal. And then you're going to just give it a nice tug. All tight. Okay, and then just go ahead and secure it off. Okay, and that's how you make a ribbon flower. Now I am going to add a quick embellishment. So I'm going to stick this needle back up through this hole right here, and then I brought this embellishment right here. Now all of these items are available on my website, so if you need the buttons or the ribbons, you can find them on my website. I also sell the finished items on my Etsy store, Embellish Me, at osbb.com. That's an Etsy store, so, but the website is osweetbabyboutique.com. So there we go, just tie it off, and we're done. Now you're going to attach it to your clip of choice, or you could make it into a pretty brooch, or whatever you like. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you're not already, if you please hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them.